So in the previous video, we discussed about the primary function of the commercial bank. Now we are discussing about the secondary function of the commercial bank. There are two main secondary functions of the commercial bank. It is work as a agency services and general utility services. Some other works are also done by the commercial bank. Those are overdraft facility and discounting bill of exchange. So first of all, we will discuss about the agency function. Agency function. Commercial banks also perform certain agency function for their customers. For these services, bank charges some commission from their clients. Some of the agency functions are transfer of the fund. Bank provide the facility of economical and easy remittance of the fund from place to place with the help of instrument like a demand draft, mail transfer, etc. Next is collection of the payment of the various items. Commercial banks collect check bills, interest, dividends, subscriptions, rent, and other periodical receipts on the behalf of the customer, and also make payment of taxes, insurance, premium, etc. on standing instruction of their client, like the whatever the instructions given by the client according to that. Purchase and sales of the foreign exchange. What is this? This is some commercial bank are authorized by the central bank to deal in the foreign exchange. If the some businessman is doing this, so they will take the permission or the by the government, from the side of the government also done by them. So they buy and sell foreign exchange on the behalf of their customer. Who is the customer? Maybe businessman is also there, maybe the government is also there, or some other financial institutions are also there, and help to promoting the international trade. Next is purchase and sales of the securities. Which type of securities? Like stock and shares on the private companies, as well as the government securities on the behalf of the customer. Income tax consultancy also done by these banks relating to their income tax, and even they prepare their income tax return also. Transit and the executors. Commercial banks preserves the will, whatever is there for. So the wills in the customers as a trustee and execute them after the death of the executor. Means what they are doing. For example, someone don't have any their son or daughters, or maybe they want that a bank will operate their property. So what they are doing, they are just make a will uh, for the according to that, and the bank will operate all the things when as an executor when after the death of the his or her customers. So that is the thing, that is also one work done by them. Next is letters of reference. They give the information about the economic position of their customer to the traders, and provide a similar information about the other traders of their customer. Next is general utility service. General utility service. What are the general utility service? Commercial banks rendered some general utility service. They will take the charges for that, and they will provide to their customers for those services. Locker facility. Commercial bank provide facility of the safety wallets or lockers to keep the valuable articles of the customer in the safe custody. Next is traveler check. What is it? Travelers check. Commercial bank issue travelers checks to their customer to avoid the risk of taking cash during their journey. Letter of credit. Nowadays, most probably people are not using traveler checks because ATMs are there, as ATM or credit card facility are provided by the bank for this. But that is the work of a bank if someone wants. Letter of credit, they also issue letter of credit to their customer to certify their credit worthiness. Underwriting securities, commercial bank also undertake the task of underwriting securities, as public has full faith in the credit worthiness of bank. Public do not hesitate in buying the securities underwritten by the bank because they believe that it is a financial institution that is recognized by the government, so they believe on that. That is why they purchase directly. They are interested to purchase, they will purchase through the bank. Collection of statistics: bank collect and publish the statistics relating to the trade, commerce and industry, hence they are active customer of the financial matter. Now we are discussing two more function about the banking secondary function. Overdraft facility: it refers to a facility in which the customer is allowed to overdraft his current account upon his an aggregate agreed limit. This facility is generally given to respectable and reliable customers of the short period. Customer have to pay interest on the bank on the amount withdrawn by them. That is, and what is the interest, that is depend on the bank only. Discounting bills of exchange: it refers to a facility in which the holder of the bill of exchange can get a bill discounted with the bank before the maturity. After deducting the commission, bank pays the balance to the holder. On maturity, bank gets its payment from the party which is accepted the bill. So that is the thing, that is work done by also the bank for their. So the commercial bank receive deposit from the public, use the deposit of the loans. However, loans offered are many times more than the deposit received by banks. These functions of the bank known as the money creation. And what is money creation? It is one of the most important activity of the bank, commercial bank, through the process of money creation. Commercial banks are able to create credit which is far exist in the initial deposits. That is important. In the next video, we will discuss about the money creation or the credit creation. What is that and how can it happens? We will discuss about that.